Assalamualaikum dear students, क्लास 12th यूनिट एल्डिहाइड्स कीटोन्स एंड कार्बोक्सिल्स और टॉपिक है केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड्स। पिछले वीडियो लेक्चर में हमने स्टार्ट की थी फर्स्ट केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ कार्बोक्सिलिक, दैट इज द एसिडिक नेचर ऑफ कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड्स। कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड्स जो होते हैं they are acidic in nature because they give us H positive ions. Why they give us H positive ions? क्योंकि उनमें resonance possible है. Due to that resonance they give us H positive ions and जो resulting of बनता है after the this loss of H positive ion, that's called the carboxylate ion, which is highly resonance stabilized, and that's why this is the reason that why the carboxylic acids they are acidic in nature. Now आज हमें कुछ acidic reactions पढ़नी है carboxylic acids की. So we have some of the important acidic reactions of carboxylic acids are as follows. Number first है that's reaction with metals. अगर हम मेटल्स को ऐड करेंगे कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड, तो वहां पर क्या है इंपॉर्टेंट प्रॉपर्टी जो है एसिडिक प्रॉपर्टी कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड्स की, दैट हाइड्रोजन गैस इज इवॉल्व्ड. द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द एसिड्स इज दैट व्हेन वी ऐड मेटल्स टू acids, hydrogen gas is evolved. Same is the case with carboxylic acids. When we add metals to carboxylic acids, the hydrogen gas is evolved. With metals, when carboxylic acids are added to metals, H2 gas is evolved. For example, RCOH, that's a carboxylic acid, and if we add metal to it, suppose sodium metal is added to it, it results the formation of the sodium salt of the carboxylic acid plus hydrogen gas is evolved. Here you have 2 times, and hydrogen gases, it is 2 times. Hydrogen gas is evolved. So this is the first important acidic reaction of the carboxylic acids, that is अगर हम कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड्स को ऐड करेंगे, मेटल्स को ऐड करेंगे कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड्स, तो हाइड्रोजन गैस इज इवॉल्व्ड. सो व्हेन कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड्स आर एडेड टू metals, hydrogen gas is evolved. This is the first acidic reaction of the carboxylic acids with metals. Number second है that is reaction with carbonates. अगर हम कार्बोनेट्स लेंगे, सोडियम कार्बोनेट या सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट ऐड करेंगे उनको कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड्स, सो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस इज इवॉल्व्ड. नंबर 2, reaction with carbonates. When carboxylic acids are added to carbonates, carbon dioxide gas is evolved. So we have here RCOH, add करेंगे सोडियम कार्बोनेट Na2CO3, it gives me RCOONA plus carbon dioxide plus water. Water is formally it is here, this is 2 times, here it is this one. So with carbonates, जब हम कार्बोनेट्स को ऐड करते हैं carboxylic acids, तो carbon dioxide gas is evolved. So when carboxylic acids are added to carbonates, carbon dioxide gas is evolved. This is the second important acidic reaction of the carboxylic acids. Now the third important reaction, that is the reaction with alkalis. Chunki ye carboxylic acids, they are acids, while as the alkalis they react with alkalis or the bases. जब acid और base एक दूसरे के साथ react करता है तो क्या बनते हैं? Salts are formed. So when they are treated with bases or alkalis, salts are formed. Number third, that's the reaction with alkalis. With alkalis, they give us salts. For example, RCOH plus NaOH, sodium hydroxide. This is the formation RCONA, sodium salt of the carboxylic acid plus water is formed. These are some of the important, three important acidic reactions or acidic properties of the carboxylic acids. Number first one was with metals, while hydrogen gas is evolved. Number second, that's with carbonates, where carbon dioxide gas is evolved. And number third, with alkalis, where salts are formed. Now we have the second category of the reactions shown by the carboxylic acids, that is the functional group derivatives of carboxylic acid. Formation of functional group derivatives of carboxylic acids. Second जो है, that is reactions which involve the cleavage of CO bond, या जहाँ पर OH group involve होता है वो reactions हमें पढ़नी है अब. B, reactions involving the formation of functional group derivatives. Functional group derivatives of the carboxylic acids. हमें पता है कि फंक्शनल ग्रुप जो है कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड्स का, दैट इज C डबल बॉन्ड OH. तो यहाँ पर जो रिएक्शंस हम डिस्कस करेंगे वहाँ पर कौन सा ये ग्रुप इन्वॉल्व होगा, दैट इज द OH हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप ऑफ द कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड्स इन्वॉल्व, व्हाइल एज द C डबल बॉन्ड O और पार्ट इट रिमेन्स इंटैक्ट. ये वाला पार्ट जो है इंटैक्ट और ये वाला पार्ट जो है OH ग्रुप जो है दैट इज रिमूव्ड बाय सम अदर substituent or the functional group. So we have number first reaction in this category where the functional derivatives of the carboxylic acids are formed, that is reaction with phosphorus pentachloride or phosphorus trichloride or thionyl chloride. Number first, that's reaction with PCl5 or PCl3 or thionyl chloride SOCl2. With this, the acid chlorides are formed. When the phosphorus pentachloride or phosphorus trichloride or thionyl chloride is added to carboxylic acid, the acid chlorides are formed. This is the first functional group derivative of the carboxylic acid, that is acid halides or acid chlorides. With PCl5 or SOCl2, acid chlorides are formed. For example, RC double bond OOH plus PCl5. तो यहाँ पर क्या होता है, ये OH ग्रुप जो है that's removed by Cl, so it becomes RC double bond OCl plus एक H दूसरे Cl के साथ बाहर निकलेगा, आ जाए Cl plus POCl3. This is acid halide is formed, acid chloride is formed. इसी तरह से अगर हम लेंगे that is RC double bond OOH, ऐड करेंगे इसको thionyl chloride SOCl2, it results the formation of RC double bond OCl plus SO2 plus HCl. So this is the first functional derivative of the carboxylic acid, that's the reaction with PCl5 or PCl3 or thionyl chloride, where acid chlorides are formed. Number second, we have the second reaction, that is reaction with carboxylic acids. Reaction of carboxylic acids with alcohol. This was the first reaction where the functional derivative, that is the acid halides or acid chlorides are formed. Number second reaction is reaction with alcohols. नंबर सेकेंड रिएक्शन जो है इसी कैटेगरी में, दैट्स रिएक्शन विद अल्कोहल्स. अगर हम कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड्स को ऐड करेंगे अल्कोहल्स तो esters are formed. So when alcohols are added to carboxylic acids, esters are formed. These are esters are the second functional derivative of the carboxylic acids, that is esters. ये रिएक्शन हमने ऑलरेडी से डिस्कस की है in the properties of alcohols. This reaction is called esterification reaction and the reaction is reversible in nature. So when alcohols are added to carboxylic acids in presence of H2SO4, esters are formed. Full stop. This reaction is reversible and is called esterification reaction. So you have carboxylic acid and we add alcohol to it. तो यहाँ पर ये OH ग्रुप जो है बाहर निकलेगा by replaced by OR group. So we have RC double bond OR plus water. It's reversible in nature. So this is the second important functional derivative of carboxylic acid, that's ester. So we have when alcohols are added, when carboxylic acids are added to alcohols, esters are formed in presence of H2SO4. So these are the second important functional derivatives of the carboxylic acids. Now we have the third important reaction in this category, that's reaction with ammonia. Number third है reaction with ammonia. Reaction with ammonia NH3. क्योंकि अमोनिया जो है it is basic in nature and the carboxylic acids they are acidic in nature. तो first जब अमोनिया रिएक्ट करता है किसके साथ, कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड के साथ, तो वहां पर एक साल्ट बनता है अमोनियम साल्ट ऑफ द कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड्स which then decomposes and results the formation of the another important functional derivative of the carboxylic acids called as the amides are formed. When ammonia is added to carboxylic acids, ammonium salt of the carboxylic acid is formed, which then decomposes to give amides. So here you have carboxylic acid added to ammonia NH3. It results the formation of RC double bond ONH4. This is called as the ammonium salt of the carboxylic acid, and this then decomposes, or when heated it decomposes, gives me RC double bond ONH2 plus water. This is amide. So the third important functional derivative of the carboxylic acids is that is the amides are formed when ammonia is added to carboxylic acids. Number fourth and the last important functional derivative of the carboxylic acids, they are acid anhydrides. When we condense the two carboxylic acid molecules in presence of the dehydrating agents such as P2O5, acid anhydrides are formed. So we have this was the third important reaction. Now we have the fourth important reaction in this category, that is the reaction with P2O5. फोर्थ जो है that is reaction with P2O5, phosphorus pentoxide, when two molecules of carboxylic acids are treated with P2O5 phosphorus pentoxide, acid anhydrides are formed. Suppose we have R C double bond OH reacts with another molecule, that is HO C double bond OR in presence of P2O5. यहाँ पर क्या होता है, डिहाइड्रेशन हो जाता है and one this OH group it is removed and it gets attached to this one R C double bond O C double bond O and R plus water. Dehydration takes place and acid anhydrides are formed. So this is the fourth important functional derivative of the carboxylic acids, that is the acid anhydrides. So acid anhydrides, they are the functional derivatives of the carboxylic acids which are obtained when we condense the two molecules of carboxylic acids in presence of the P2O5 where acid anhydrides are formed. P2O5 का यहाँ पर function होता है to remove the water molecule, to dehydrate the carboxylic acid molecule, and then the acid anhydrides are formed. Now we have some other reactions shown by these are the reactions of the carboxylic जो हमने discuss की अभी. These are the reactions of the carboxylic acids where the OH group is involved. OH group of the COOH, functional group COH is involved. तो वहाँ पर क्या बनते हैं, functional derivatives of the carboxylic acids are formed. Now we have जहाँ पर सारा कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड फंक्शनल ग्रुप इन्वॉल्व होता है वो रिएक्शंस अब हमें पढ़नी है. नंबर फर्स्ट रिएक्शन है उसमें नंबर थर्ड कैटेगरी विच रिएक्शंस विच इन्वॉल्व द होल कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड फंक्शनल ग्रुप. नंबर फर्स्ट है उसमें दैट इज डी कार्बोक्सिलेशन. यहाँ पर हम लिखेंगे रिएक्शंस. Number third category of reaction. Number first category of reaction was acidic reactions of the carboxylic acids. Number second was the functional group derivatives of the carboxylic acids, and number third that is reactions which involve the whole carboxylic acid molecules. या जहाँ पर सारा फंक्शनल ग्रुप मॉलिक्यूल इन्वॉल्व होता है वो रिएक्शंस अब हमें डिस्कस करनी है. नंबर फर्स्ट है उसमें दैट इज डीकार्बोक्सिलेशन. डीकार्बोक्सिलेशन का मतलब है कि हमें रिमूव करना है कार्बन. इधर कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड फंक्शनल कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड जो है उनका फंक्शनल ग्रुप है COOH. उसमें से जो ये कार्बन है वो हमें रिमूव करना है एज कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड और CO3 कार्बोनेट आयन. इधर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड और इट्स कार्बोनेट आयन इट इज रिमूव्ड. दैट प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड एज द decarboxylation. So decarboxylation reactions are those reactions where the COOH functional group is removed in the form of either carbon dioxide or in the form of carbonate. So यहाँ पर है first reaction, that's reaction with soda lime. Reaction with soda lime. So we have here R C double bond O OH carboxylic acid. We treat it with this is the NaOH sodium hydroxide and CO. This is called as the soda lime. NaOH sodium hydroxide plus calcium hydroxide, that's called the soda lime. And here we have the removal of the COO group as carbonate. So we have here RH plus Na2CO3 plus, yes, Na2CO3, it is 2 times here. तो फिर और वाटर निकलेगा बाहर. So this is the first reaction where the whole carboxylic acid molecule is involved, where the carboxylic acid molecule it gets removed in the form of carbonate. जो यहाँ पर carbonate Na2 दो सोडियम और एक ऑक्सीजन, इसका इस C डबल बॉन्ड O के साथ निकला बाहर है CO3 एंड ये यहाँ पर एक हाइड्रोजन ऑक्सीजन रह गया, वो निकलेगा दो हाइड्रोजन इसके साथ एज वाटर एंड वन हाइड्रोजन इट विल कम आउट विद दिस carbon and results the formation of hydrocarbons. So with reaction when we treat the soda lime with the carboxylic acid, the alkenes are formed with the removal of the carboxylic acid functional group in the form of carbonates. Carbonates की सूरत में यहाँ पर कार्बोक्सिलिक या कार्बन निकलता है बाहर. So this is the first reaction that's called as a decarboxylation. Number second है electrolytic decarboxylation. Number second है this was the simple decarboxylation, that's reaction with soda lime. अब number second है that's electrolytic decarboxylation. इलेक्ट्रोलिटिक डिकार्बोक्सिलेशन में हम क्या कहते हैं कि आर सी डबल बॉन्ड ओ एच जो है इज एन एसिड, इट आयोनाइजेस, इज वीक एसिड, आयोनाइजेस गिव्स मी आर सी ओ नेगेटिव प्लस एच पॉजिटिव. तो यहाँ पर क्या होता है कि इट आयोनाइजेस इन वाटर, वाटर इज ऑल्सो ए वीक electrolyte and it gives me OH negative. Now negatively charged species जो है they will move towards the electrolytic. electrolysis में क्या होता है कि we have a vessel, we dip the two rods in it, one is connected to the positive terminal and another is connected to the negative terminal. positive terminal वाली जो rod है उसको हम कहते हैं anode, while as negative that's called as a cathode. Always during electrolysis जो ions होते हैं they will move towards the oppositely charged electrodes. तो यहाँ पर जो ये है negatively charged carboxylate ion that will move towards the anode. So at anode पर क्या होता है कि R C double bond O negative, it will shed its charge, become the neutral plus 1 electron. And this neutral species is unstable, it will react with another neutral species and will result the formation of hydrocarbon plus carbon dioxide. While as at cathode क्या होता है, at cathode वहाँ पर क्या होता है कि H positive ions they will move towards the cathode while they gain this one electron hydrogen atom which will react with another hydrogen atom and gives me H2 gas. This is electrolytic decarboxylation which is called as the Kolb's electrolysis. It's also called as the Kolb's electrolysis. Kolb's electrolysis. This is the second important decarboxylation of the carboxylic acid, that's electrolytic decarboxylation, while the this hydrocarbons are formed. Number third that is the अगर हम लेंगे silver salt of the carboxylic acid treat करेंगे with bromine, then the alkyl bromides or aryl bromides are formed. Reaction with bromine, reaction of the silver salt. अब अगर हम carboxylic acid को पहले treat करेंगे with silver hydroxide where the silver salt of the carboxylic acid is formed, which upon reaction with bromine gives us the alkyl or the aryl bromides are formed. Reaction with bromine. हमने यहाँ पर क्या लिया है कि सपोज हमने लिया है कि सिल्वर साल्ट ऑफ द बेंजोइक एसिड COAG एंड हमने इसको किया है ब्रोमीन, इट विल गिव मी एराइल ब्रोमाइड plus CO2 plus AgBr, and this reaction is called as Huns-Dykers. This reaction is called Huns-Dykers reaction. This reaction is called as Huns-Dykers reaction. Now we have the reaction that is the reduction. A reduction reaction. Reduction of carboxylic acid. ये रिएक्शंस हमने यहाँ पर पढ़ी जो एक तीन रिएक्शन डिकार्बोक्सिलेशन, इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक डिकार्बोक्सिलेशन, रिएक्शन विद द ब्रोमीन. यहाँ पर बेसिकली रिमूव होता है COH ग्रुप का. COH group is removed, decarboxylation takes place and results the formation of the following types of the hydrocarbons are formed, alkyl or aryl bromides are formed. Now we have the reduction. अगर हम reduction करेंगे catalytic reduction carboxylic acids को reduce करेंगे with catalyst the alcohols are formed. A है इसमें with catalytic या upon catalytic reduction. Upon catalytic reduction, alcohols are formed. Suppose RC double bond OH, हमने इसको reduce किया है with reducing with in presence of catalyst, suppose nickel or platinum, it will give me RCH2OH plus water. That is alcohols are formed. Upon reduction catalytic reduction alcohols are formed. इसी तरह से हम इनको हाइड्रोकार्बन्स में भी reduce कर सकते हैं जब हम उनकी reaction कराते हैं with hydrogen iodide and iodine, with iodine and red phosphorus, so hydrocarbons are formed. We have that is either we reduce it with catalytic reduction or with the chemical reduction, then the these are alcohols are formed. इसी तरह से हम इनको reduce कर सकते हैं with red phosphorus and hydrogen iodide. तो यहाँ पर भी क्या बनता है, hydrocarbons are formed. So we have reaction with this is the reduction. Upon reduction they give us the two products. Either they give us alcohols when we reduce them catalytically or with the reducing agents such as lithium aluminum tetrahydride or sodium borohydride. इसी तरह से हम इनको reduce कर सकते हैं into the hydrocarbons when they react with hydrogen iodide and red phosphorus. Upon second है इसमें upon reaction with hydrogen iodide and red phosphorus, they give us alkanes. For example, you have RC double bond OH react with hydrogen iodide in presence of red phosphorus. It gives me RH plus CO2 plus iodine, I2 is formed. So this is all about the reaction. This is all about the what are the various chemical properties of the carboxylic acid. So आज हमने discuss की है chemical properties of carboxylic acids. उसमें हमने discuss किया है first category, that is the acidic reactions of the carboxylic acid. Then we have the functional derivative of the carboxylic acid. Now number third, we have those reactions when whole carboxylic acid molecule is involved. And finally we have the last reaction, that is the reduction reaction of carboxylic acids. Thank you so much.